Hi everyone, it's Miros. I'm here on the fields and I will try to compare the best zoom shot from these three devices, and I will try to do my type of video, which is directly comparison of the zoom cameras of all these three devices, because I was doing all these videos to YouTube Shorts, but lots of people are start complaining that the quality in Shorts is very bad, and that's why I will try today to make a better video, a full video. Of course, there will be a follow-up with the short. By the way, if you just want to compare the photos, feel free to use timestamp to skip the video and go directly to photos. Here are the devices. On the left we have OnePlus 12, in the middle we have Huawei P70 Pura, and on the right we have Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me just show you the devices. Here they are. You can see we have here the Pura, 70 Ultra, S24 Ultra and OnePlus 12. By the way, the device I'm recording the whole video is Xiaomi 14, just the regular 14, not the Pro. That's why it's not included in the test, because it will not be a fair comparison. And OnePlus 12 supports zoom 120x, but I will just go for 100 for the three devices. The target will be over there, that sign, ski and snowboard. It will be harder to level up these three devices, but I will try to do this, and we'll try to fit every device here on that stand. Behind the stand will be another stand where I will point and record everything. So I will start with the wide camera 1x, then we'll go with the first zoom option on the three devices, then I will go for the second zoom option, which is 5x for S24 Ultra, and then I will go 10x, 30x and 100x. So let's directly start the comparison. All of the three devices are pointed, so I will start here with OnePlus, Pura 70 Ultra and S24 Ultra. So let's first go with the wider camera, which is 0.6 for the three devices. I will just snap a shot. Then I will go 1x. Alright, we are ready with 1x. Let's go with the next option, which is 3x for OnePlus 12, 3.5x for Pura 70 Ultra and 3x for S24 Ultra. Let's snap a shot. And now S24 Ultra has another option, which is 5x. That's why I will go for the three devices 5x. The others are not supporting 5x, but I will go. So here we are, 5x on the three devices. Let's snap a shot with S24 Ultra, Pura 70 Ultra and OnePlus 12. So the next option will be 10x. Then here and then here. I will try to level up a little bit all the three devices, and you know what the target is already. That's why I will try to rotate the stand for every device individually, because you can see their cameras are in different positions and it is harder to make one shot. Here I'm pointing now on S24 Ultra 10x, remember that. I will point now Pura 70 Ultra. Here it is, 10x, and now I will do the same for OnePlus 12. Again 10x. Alright, now I will go for 30x. 30 here, 30 here, and 30 here. So until it's leveled for OnePlus 12, I will directly snap a shot. Alright, now I will do the same for the Pura. And now it's time for S24 Ultra. Here it is, 30x. And it's time for 100x. First, S24 Ultra. Right, now let's go for the Pura. Pura is ready, and now it's time for OnePlus 12. Let's fit it on exactly on 100x. It will be harder, but all right, now let's try to fix it here for OnePlus 12. Okay, I think we are almost ready. And now guys, let's check the results. Okay, it's time for the second scene. This one is a little bit different, more tricky, more shady, but we'll check which of these three will be more prepared and we'll make the better zoom shot. Let's zoom and show you the target. The target is this bottle over there. So I will just try to point every of these three devices and show you the results. Let's try it. Again, first we'll start with the ultra-wide camera. So we can check all the capabilities of the camera. Let's start with OnePlus 12, Pura 70 Ultra and S24 Ultra. Now let's move to 1x on the three devices. Alright, 1x. Now we are going for 3x. 3.5 on the Pura and 3 on the Galaxy. They are not pointing the same direction, but to me this is not a big deal, so let's just snap a shot because we are still not pointing the exact object. Now let's move to 5x. 5 here and 5 here. Okay, let's snap a shot with 5x. By the way guys, the internet on the three devices is turned off, so AI is not used at the moment. Now let's move to 10x. 10 here, 10 here and 10 on the Ultra. OnePlus, Pura 70 Ultra and S24 Ultra. Now the next step is 30x. Snap a shot with 30x. Here we need to rotate it a little bit and pointing down also. I will tap to focus and snap a 30x shot. And here on the OnePlus I will do the same. Wait it to stabilize, tap to focus and let's just snap a shot. These are hard shots because the letters here on the bottle are very small. Let's go now for 100x. It will be 99.9 because I can't just go exactly 100x on OnePlus 12. It is very hard. Please OnePlus add the option for directly pointing 100x. And just snap a shot. Okay, let's snap a shot here on the Pura. The bottle is very tricky because it's transparent, but that's the idea. You can see from the beginning the S24 Ultra is with the clear image even from the viewfinder. Let's snap one more time. So these are the results. Let's check them.